Coming soon from La Rosa's Trains, Lionel's Laureate Locomotives, featuring the General Electric Dash 8 and Dash 9 diesels. Here's a quick fun fact that you probably have never heard of. Since the creation of the product line, GE built the 1000th Dash 8 locomotive in 1990, about 8 years after the first prototype unit was outshopped. It was Union Pacific 9400, a Dash 8 40CW, which was fitted with 2 commemorative banners to celebrate the builder's success. However, according to a webpage article at utahrails.net, the real 1000th Dash 8 locomotive was UP 9379, also a 40 CW. Link to this article is in the description. This number was considered odd and easy to forget, so 9400 was chosen to wear the banners instead. Jumping ahead to the 21st century, a Union Pacific ES44AC number 7964 was built in 2012 and labeled as the 5000th GE Evolution Series locomotive. I think this number appears to be random compared to 9400. Don't you? What other quantity commemorative locomotives have you seen? Let me know in the comments below.